Okinde mag obila ariyo, Masinde Baraza kod Duncan Kiprono, mitudo gi chielo gi magina kendo hinyo ja ohala Boniface Mwangi e kinde ng'anyo manyoro, okwedo weche maliekore e mbui ni obilago gin achije kendo ni gin ema gichielo Boniface gi magina. Kane gitwa gi jofwambo e tesend obila ma Capitol Hill, kama obilago ogeng'negie, Okindego kotelnegi kod Felix Keaton owacho ni obilago ne ok omi magina ma aching' kata live bullets kendo ni obila duto ne tiyo gi lisasi mag raba e kinde mag ng'anyo makamano. Gidwaro nokwach kich kod duol mochung'ne nono tije bad migawo mar obila IPOA mondo tim nonro kendo oyud ler ewi masira makamano maler ma ok ni ibiwo weche kuom obilago.
And they recorded statements with the DCI Homicide Division, whereby they recorded statements under inquiry. And they were booked here at Capitol Hill Police Station. We are not saying that our client was involved, but all police officers who were guarding the demonstrators, they had shotguns and rubber bullets. So if there were any shots that were fired, then those were from the rubber bullets, not the live bullets.
The investigations that are being carried out by the DCI and the IPOA, the same is not sufficient at this juncture, and that is why our clients will be arraigned in court today, this morning, so that we deal with the issue of custodial. But the issue of whether our clients were involved, our positions are that our clients are innocent, they were not involved in any way, and we will be able to prove that in a court of law.
We must investigate the identity of these people, so that even as they are being arraigned before the courts, we must ensure that these are the correct accused people, or rather the persons of interest, because the identity in itself is what we are challenging.